I have never in my life been so exhausted, and tomorrow I am going to work. Guys, I really want to cry. I honestly want to cry. This is the second room, and look how it looks. At least the outside rooms, we've cleaned them. My husband has fixed the cameras up there for the guests. Oh.
I know handyman. And I have a handyman, but I tell you, Benza. I am a child, I shall make supply. Diamond. Maybe after 5 years, my 20 experience.
Outside for 6 months. 5 years.
No, 5 years. Now we are now. It's good to be comfortable.
Hi you guys, a quick update. I just wanted to let you know that the reason that we had to renovate these cupboards again was to make sure that the tenants that are moving in have a good looking kitchen they can use, that is useful, and most importantly, we purchased a new guest store for them. Therefore, we needed to comply and add a cupboard as such. So this is what we did. That's where they're going to put their guests, on that cupboard that they're opening there. It's got a hole, and this over here is where it's just additional, cabinet space for them to make use of anything. It's up to them what they'll do with them. The oven is going to be electrical, so I just wanted to give you that update. Alrighty guys, I decided to go to ShopRite. For those of you who are not sure or don't know, I stayed in Dobsonville, closer to ShopRite, and whilst they were busy loading the truck with all our stuff, I thought, let me go buy the duvet inners, stuff that we were short of in the new house, because we bought the kids' new beds. So we needed, I do have single bed linen. I needed just the inners for the bed. And I took those inners that you're looking at the moment. I also added a couple of school stuff that was needed. And so that when we leave and we head on to our new home, at least I've purchased everything that we needed, and now it will be a matter of me unpacking and doing whatever that needs to be done in the new home. Instead of me going out again and shop, let me rather use this time to get what was needed for the new house. So I went to Pep, and as you can see, it's easy to identify the shop. I bought a couple of kitchen stuff that we were short of, toilet stuff. I didn't have toilet brushes, and I didn't have pillowcases. I also needed, what is those? Shelves, the corner shelves that I'm looking at, that I'm taking now. I needed that. And most of the stuff, guys, it was school stuff, to be honest. And that little grey dustbin, silver dustbin. I needed it to throw a couple of things when I'm in the toilet. I took that for the kids' bathroom as well as mine. Yeah, dustpan, all those things I didn't have. So we bought all the essentials that we were short of before we actually headed out to the new house. I hope you guys are still enjoying this vlog. Please don't forget to like, share, and comment. Even if you put stars on my comment section or hearts, I'd honestly appreciate it.
Tumela papa.
Morning, you guys. Good morning, you guys. I'm still saying I do apologize for having to not be in front of the camera. It's just too hectic, guys. There's so many things that we need to do, and my husband and I did not anticipate how much of work is ahead of us. Therefore, sometimes we wake up in the morning, make a decision, and based on the urgency, and we rush and we go to that place. So here, guys, we're at Randburg SPCA. We needed a sedation for our bourbon. If you didn't know, we had a huge bourbon at home. It was painful to have it, to give it away. We wanted to give it away, but unfortunately, because it's not well trained, and border bulls are very protective of their owners, it's not easy to give it away. It needs someone who really knows dogs, and the person that sold to the bull to us was even scared of taking it back. That's how bad it was. But we had no choice but to put it asleep before we needed to sedate it. So that's why we were here.
It's got villages.
Yeah. Welcome to my new home. This here, I won't say where we are because I do not want people visiting me. This is my new home. This will be my bedroom. The bedroom as we walk in. Wardrobe, master room. Shower, yeah. His and hers. Our toilet. The bathroom. His and hers basin. Yep. There you go. There you go. There you go. Kitchen. Kitty's bedroom. They've got their own shower and bathroom. Stove. Yes, we'll be making it like that. I can't hold like a pretty so guys. There you go. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. There you go. Watch that. Yeah. Watch that come out. Watch that baby. Hello. How do you like that? Hello. And how awesome is that? How awesome is that? Okay, scullery, 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 scullery. And the view, the lighting, guys, is a bit bad. That will be my view in my scullery. And then moving out of the kitchen. Chill session, I don't know what to call that. And there's my view here, guys. There's my view. There's the entrance. There's my view. And there's the guest bathroom. Okay. And that is it.
Give me your strength and show me your weakness. We're in this together now. We're in this together now.